Oh, hi everybody. This is Marshall's Studios Forever here. Marshall's Studios Forever is taping you from a live audience tonight. Tonight, I will be doing a review on my 1998 Hoover runabout. This is not a 96 model. I think this machine was made in the year of 98. Because this machine came out in the year of 98. I had it for 2 years. And because I grew up with older Hoovers for my whole life. Because the Hoover Runabout Supreme Triple Filtration Upright Vacuum. Well, I got this back in 2022 on Christmas Day. My aunt's son-in-law gave it to me, and also I always wanted to have a Hoover Runabout Supreme so badly because it's been one of my dream vacuums growing up, and also I always wanted to get a Hoover Runabout. I always wanted to have older Hoovers in my collection, and if I snatch one right up, it will cross my path. And I'm going to stay with the older vintage Hoovers for my whole life. And, well, my dad really did grew up with older Hoovers because he thinks they lasted for a very long time. And, first of all, I always grew up with the Hoover Dimension Supreme Upright Vacuum, what my mom and dad used to own back in the 90s. They had that vacuum throughout the 1995 until the year of 2001. I think it was 2002 when it broke because the engine blew up on there. And first of all, my parents actually had older Hoovers and Eurekas for their whole life. And also this vacuum, I just want to keep forever until the day I die. I still want to use it forever. I always love to keep older vacuums in my collection. It doesn't matter if I wanted to change the bag and the belt and oil the bearings on the brush roll and putting a brand new headlight to it. And I will always do that because I will go to AutoZone to get bright lights for these older Hoover vacuum cleaners I like to put a bright light in there. And I can fix them anytime. And no offense, you guys, I can put you can put any headlights in a vacuum cleaner if you want to. If you can refix them, you can refurbish them. These machines do hold up forever, and they lasted for a very long time. And I grew up with these older Hoovers during my childhood, and I grew up with these machines, and this is part of my autism and all the stories I really wanted to have. And I really wanted to keep this vacuum cleaner in brand new condition. And this machine looks brand new. It's never been beat up. It's never been scratched up or anything like that. And I kept it in very new condition. I polished it. I refurbished it brand new. And I was thinking about getting a new headlight for it, buying more attachments for it, and buying parts for it, and refurbished it brand new. And I can do that on older Hoovers, and it's part of my puzzle piece, and I can do anything what I want to do in the times, and part of my decades, part of my stories, and all these vintage vacuums I grew up with. And I was thinking about using it tomorrow to vacuum my room, and I felt like to clean my bedroom with it tomorrow, and I love doing that so much, and I really do. And also, make sure you click thumbs up and hit subscribe. Click down below what you like to see for a brand new video, or any new requests from other people. And I needed more requests, more ideas from other people. And I wanted to do, and first of all, let me know if you want to get my request, if you want me to run this in the next video, or using the Eureka Bravo, the Eureka the Boss Plus in the next video. I'm always going to buy some brand new belts for it, new bags, a new hose for it, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, everybody.